Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle, the third and last puzzle I will do in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, February the 16th, 2022. And yeah, I've heard on Wednesday they want to start a war between Ukraine and the Russians, yeah. And the United States want to start a war also against the Russians in Ukraine. Yes. Anyway, we'll see if there's a war coming. I do not know. But first, we will solve this tectonic puzzle number 4138. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. I think an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single box. I see here 2 dual boxes. It contains the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? I see 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3, but I do not know in which order. But when I see a triple box, remember, when you see a triple box, the inside box or the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, this box can only be 4 or 5. We see here 4, so no 4 there, so it can only be the 5, okay. More triple boxes, no. Quarter box, I see here a quarter box. 1 quarter box, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, how about the T shape? We have here the T shape. Alright. Oh, let me go there. Okay, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So it's connected here. Connected. Here also connected. 1 shape in this puzzle here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. There are more. I believe there are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 figures or shapes or construction or structures that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1 in this box. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, these two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. If I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. But this box is also connected with that box, should be also 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it's not a solution to place the 5 here. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Can it be 3? We have 3 missing numbers in this area. The 1, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, and 3. But look, this box is connected with that box. But we already have a 1 and we have already a 3. So this box can be 1 or a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other number should be a 2. Yeah, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 2. Okay, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. That means that this box cannot be 3 anymore. Yeah, because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this area for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. Otherwise, if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. Okay. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. That means this box is also 3 and a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Alright. Well. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. I've marked those two boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can it be 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. I think, don't think too much. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 4, 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this quarter box for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. I think, well, don't think too much. This box can be 8, 2, so the 2, and that box cannot be 8, 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 3 numbers left. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be in, and 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I've solved this faster than 50 minutes, so I don't think this is a 4 stars. publisher. It's a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again, yes, tomorrow on Thursday. Yes, tomorrow. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Well, we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.